Okay, so you've got a Ford F150 or some other variant with no heat. First thing you want to do, pop this vent off. There's a cover here. Take that cover off first. Kind of pop this vent piece down so you can access the actuator motor for the blend door. You remove the bolts that are holding this in, drop it down, and then change from hot to cold, and make sure that it's moving and working. When I took this one apart, some plastic bits of the old blend door fell out, so I immediately knew that's what was wrong with this thing. So then the fix is to get one of these. Which you can see I have cut out the back trim of the glove box and the HVAC box to access the blend door. That's it. And then this kit comes with everything you need, including tape to tape this back up. Quick and easy.